how are you all today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how we're going to cook this fruit as well as the vegetable. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's called jackfruit, right? Jackfruit. This is the younger one. So what we're going to make is in Sinhalese we call it Polos. Yeah, P-O-L-O-S. Polos. So I'm going to make a Polos curry. So the process is a little longer, but it's worth it. It's really tasty, right? Okay, let's get started. All right. Now, first of all, what we need is I have my chopping board underneath, right? Underneath this paper. So I don't want to cut this on the chopping board because it's gonna get ugly and dirty. So I have a paper on top of it, right? And when you cut this, you just need to cut this and then peel it and then cut into small pieces and cook it. But while you're cutting it, you have to you have to use lemon on your knife, lemon or lime, and to get rid of some of the the sticky stuff. All right, and then the ingredients what we need today is we need onions, and then we need these white onions, and then rampe, we call it screw pine leaf, yeah, in English, and in Sinhalese is rampe. And then we need fresh chilies, and then green chili, and then we need cinnamon and cardamom, curry leaves, yeah. And this one it's called Garcinia. I think it's Garcinia, that's the name. So it's in English it's Garcinia, we call it Goraka. It is similar to tamarind, right? If you know tamarind, it's similar to that. So this thing is very sour but is healthy. And then cloves, and then the powder what we need is turmeric, and then this is roasted mix spice, right? And then this one is the chili powder, and then the salt, and then fenugreek, right? Aside from that, I need also a half a glass of coconut milk, right? Fresh coconut milk, and then a pot with a little bit of lemon juice. And so what we're gonna do is, as soon as we cut this, yeah, I'm gonna put everything in this in the little pot, right? Aside from that, I need a bigger pot as well because we're gonna cook this one in a bigger pot today. So okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna cut this first, yeah, and I'm gonna show you what exactly how it looks like. So this is how it looks, and see this sticky stuff continuously is coming out. So I'm gonna rub a piece of lemon on it. It goes off quickly. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this, yeah, peel the skin off, and then cut into small pieces, right? This is how it looks, right? This is how it exactly looks. So it looks white and nice, and then let me cut it, and then I'll show you how it exactly looks. Okay, I got the skin off, yeah. I peel off the jackfruit, and then I cut into small pieces. Yeah, I didn't want to show you the entire process because it's a bit of a mess, and then the process is a bit long. And so what I'm going to show you, but the thing is, the nice things is not easy, right? You need to really work hard for those things, right? So the jackfruit is really nice. You can cook it really well, and then you will really like it. It's a delicious dish, but it's not easy to make it. So now I'm going to show you, yeah, the the jackfruit the way it is right now, and then I'll give you a few tips on that as well. Alright, so this is how it looks. Yeah, I cut into small pieces, and you see I punch some I punch it from the knife, so when you're cooking it, so all the spices, you know, it's gonna suck in and then give you a nice flavor afterward. So the next process what we're going to do is, right now it's clean and nice, and I'm going to remove this water and then transfer to a bigger pot, and then add some water, yeah, and then I boil it a little bit because it's a different process. Some people don't boil it, some people just cook directly, you know, adding spices and everything. You can also do that, but you know, that's a long process. So what I'm gonna do is, basically I'm gonna take the water off and add some water, you know, and then boil this, and then just strain the water, and then add the spices, right? And then we can cook the way we like it. Right, let's do it. So here we go. It's cooking. So what I have done is I have added a little bit of tuna paha, the mixed spices, and one piece of Garcinia, Goraka, right? In the pot right now. So when it's boiling, it gives a nice flavor. And then we'll strain the water off once it's boiling, right? And first I will check whether it is cooked very well or not. When it's halfway or just, let's say 90% when it's cooked, right? I'm gonna take the water off, yeah, and then we'll start cooking it the way we like it, right? Adding all the spices and everything else. Great. I'll come back to you in a minute. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, it's cooking nice. And let me check if it's cooked or not cooked. See, it's cooked very well. Right? It's cooked very well. And then the water is reduced as well. So yeah, now is the time. Okay, I'm gonna lower the fire, and then water is much less right now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add all the other spices that I from the beginning, you know, that I showed you from the beginning. So I'm gonna add all these spices and everything, and then we're gonna cook again with coconut milk this time, right? Great. So I turned off the fire. Now we're gonna add some fenugreek, right? And then we're gonna add a little bit more, and then we will add the salt as well. Yeah, and then the chili powder. Yeah, make sure get it all. Chili powder, and then the roasted mix spice, and then turmeric powder, and then the curry leaves. Yeah, curry leaves really healthy, so you need to add, if you can add a little bit more, it would be great. And then we're gonna go with the cinnamon sticks and green chili, yeah, and rampe or screwpin leaf, and cardamom, and cloves, and so the Garcinia again, and then this white onions and the red onions. Right? Next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix them all. Yeah, mix them all very well. I'm not gonna put my hands in it, so I'm gonna take the spoon and mix them all. Okay, it's hot, so I cannot put my hand in it. So mix them all. Get this nice flavor, this nice smell as well, and you can see it's very well cooked, right? It's very, yeah. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of the coconut milk, right? And then we will proceed further. Now let me tell you something. When you're adding coconut milk, and then you see my pot is big, right? If you need to add more ingredients to this, you could add more ingredients as well. I mean, if you think it's not enough, you can add a little bit more, right? And to get the flavor or the color, or yeah, even the salt, if you want to add a little bit more, you can add a little bit more. And so you just need to see it and then add it after. All right, and let's cook this, and I'll show you in few minutes how it looks like. Wow, it's really nice smell. This is how it looks, and it's very well cooked right now. But you know, I'm gonna wait till the water. I just want to reduce a little bit of gravy, but it's nicely cooked. Yeah, so I'm cooking the jackfruit low fire. Yeah. So, but it's nicely cooked. So, I mean, it's a big pot. Yeah, you can share with your friends. I'm gonna share with some of my friends as well. You can share with your friends, or you can keep it for your breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah. Oh, that's it. It's yummy. It smells really good. All right. I'm gonna turn off the fire. Yeah. And then leave it settle down a little bit, and then we can eat. Okay, good. It's done. It's a nice dish. Jackfruit is a nice dish, yeah, and it's a little work, but you know, at the end you're gonna enjoy it, right? You can share with your friends, or you can just have it, as I said, you can have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner as well. And you can eat with some rice, yeah. A brown rice would be great. Brown rice, or the white rice, or the bread. Or paratha, chapati, any of these Asian breads as well, right? And thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you so much for working together with me. And subscribe, share, and like. Yeah, you don't have to, but it would be nice if you do. Yeah. All right. Bye bye now.